So here's the current situation of my room. Sorry for my voice. Here's my bed, and I have a lot of things going on in this area right here. So I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna clean it up. Then I have this plate here. May baso din. So kailangan ko siya dalhin sa baba sa kusina. And I need to fix my bed. So yeah, laundry here on the floor. I also have this and this hanger. So I have to put it away also. It's not that much. Hindi naman siya super makalat. I also have this outside of my room. Outside of my room that I need to fix. So I have my laundry. This is newly washed, by the way, and a lot of clothes. A lot of clothes here, and the camera bag. So I need to fix this as well and clean it up. So yeah, let's clean all of this up. I have this plate and itong baso, so magbaba ako. Nilagay ko na yung laundry sa washing machine. Para habang nagalinis ako is nag-iikot na siya. I still need to tackle yung sa labas ng room ko, yung mga clothes and yung clean laundry. So hey guys, I hung up my clothes from the laundry from yesterday because I still haven't hung that up. So I got that done. I ate a breakfast and now I'm baking cookies. I'm baking chocolate chip cookies. Here it is. It's just a small tray because we have an oven toaster. So it's pretty small, so I can only fit 4. So now I'm putting and setting it to 8 minutes. My cookies are now baking and I just have to wait for the next batch. So here's the first batch of the cookies. It looks so good. So here is the second batch of cookies.
Kuya, paano makapasok sa sinihan? Ah,
Sige po. Ayan po. Ayan oh. Ang tanong, saan sila? Pagpasok na sila oh.
You guys. I would love that.
So for our first winner of our 300 peso voucher for the movie here for a movie here in HSCC Mall Behind Cinema is seat number for a quick photo op. Thank you so much. I hope you guys stay safe and travel safe home.